Alright, hi guys. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how to perform some simple calculations, okay? I'm just going to do the first problem here to kind of jog your memory on how to use the spreadsheet, and then you should be able to do the rest on your own. Okay, so first problem here says calculate the volume of your solid in experiment A using your ruler measurements. Volume equals length times height times width. So let's say, and I'm making these numbers up, okay? Let's say that these are my measurements here. Okay, there you go. Those are my measurements. They're all in centimeters. So I need to calculate the volume of my block from experiment A here. So I'm going to go in here in this blue cells where you're going to do your answer. I'm going to do equals, okay? Remember, that tells the spreadsheet that you want it to do math for you. And I'm going to click length, and I'm going to do times, this is the little star, width times height. Okay? And it gave me a number there. Now that has way too many digits. Okay, so say if we're going to round based on sig figs, I need 3 sig figs, so I'm going to round that down to 3 sig figs. Or if your teacher tells you round to the 100th place, then you round to the 100th place or the 10th place, whatever you need to do. Okay. Now here we said use a formula to calculate the answer in the blue cell below and type the units in the orange cell. So what are the units for this? This is centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So I'm going to do centimeters cubed. Okay. Now remember, I can change the formula, okay, to make it do different things for me. I can add, I can divide. Okay, so you tell the computer what to do. The computer doesn't know what to do. You have to think about what needs to be done and tell it what to do. And how whatever function you put in there, it'll calculate it for you. Okay, so look, there's no such thing as a negative 0.4 centimeter cubed volume. Okay, you can't take up empty space. But if that's what you tell the spreadsheet to do, that's what it's going to do. So you have to think about how to manipulate the data, and then just tell the spreadsheet what to do, and it'll act like a calculator.